What's up, guys, and welcome back. It's your girl Sharita. Um, it's a beautiful Tuesday. Well, I won't say it's been raining. Okay, it's been raining. Um, and I intended to go to the gym and film a back day, but that was this morning, and it has been pouring outside ever since then. So I've resorted to doing the workout here at the in my apartment and just kind of going through some different motions maybe that I haven't done on the channel so far yet. But I mean, it's kind of limiting when I have to do certain workouts here at the crib because I don't have all the equipment, the machines. So it does get a little bit frustrating, but we're gonna do what we got to do to get this workout in, quit bitching and complaining, and we're just gonna get after it. So we're gonna go in the kitchen and get this thing going, cause why the fuck not, I'm gonna show you guys the fit here in a second, cause you're gonna be stoked. I hope you're gonna be stoked because I was stoked. It's the latest drop from Young LA on March 24th. So excited about it because it is great. It fits amazing, and I think I'm gonna order more because I don't know what it is, but a lot of people didn't go for this drop, so I am gonna go back and buy some more. You'll see in a second. But let's mix up this concoction though. Alright, so pre-workout's down. We're gonna head inside the room. I do know, like, the movements are probably gonna be mostly rowing movements, just because here at the crib I do have, like I said, it's limited for me, so I sometimes get like really frustrated with it. But because it's still pouring outside, it must be done. As promised, I'm gonna show you the fit real quick because I think it's fire. I think it's dope. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, this is what we got. The shirt. It's got the Young LA right there. I really like this shirt though. And then these are like tights. Compression tights to be exact. So, and then never mind the red shirt. That's eventually, this shirt is gonna come off and I'm gonna put on, or you're gonna see the what do you call it, the tank underneath. Oh my god. So that's that. We're gonna get to it.
Did you turn me up?
Okay.